I still believe that most people can easily make a living by simply trading arbitrage. This is the easiest way to trade cryptocurrency without any major risk, and it's not complicated at all. So guys, we are definitely back again for today. As you all know, all we do here is to teach you ways of making money online using cryptocurrency arbitrage, sports betting arbitrage, cross exchange arbitrage, and many other ways of making money online. So if this is what you're interested in, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you anytime we upload more videos like this. So guys, on today, we spotted this cross exchange arbitrage opportunity in which you'll be making use of these two exchanges that I'm showing you guys today, Gate and Mexi. Gate and Mexi. So guys, on Gate, we spotted this token TAIKO/USDT. This token here is being sold on Gate 0.09326 here on Gate. And then when we move over to Mexi, as you can see here on Mexi, you can see that TAIKO/USDT. This token is being sold here on Mexi 0.096 here on Mexi. As someone that knows more about arbitrage, or if you know anything about arbitrage, you should know that there is a huge price difference in these two exchanges that we are using for today. All you have to do is to check the liquidity on both sides. If you keep doubting arbitrage, it won't work for you. Your life can even change with arbitrage depending on the capital you are using. As we are going to keep posting videos every day to make sure you make money on a daily basis. I usually tell you guys I'm not a financial advisor. I only create educational content. You make your own research and know where you dive into in these arbitrage opportunities. For those of you that are still interested in sports betting arbitrage or crypto cross exchange arbitrage, chat us up using the Telegram link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates and turn on the notification bell for you to get notified once we upload more videos like this so that you'll be the first to watch this video. It is very important, guys.